Hey everybody, what's up? This is Newton, creator of Crescent City Monsters. I'm here with Chris Thayer. did I pronounce that right? He's the creator of Legba Juke joint. Mm-hmm. All right, so I'm not the musician and you are, so let's have a starting point. Where do you want to start?
I threw down a couple of things. I was playing with a little bit of the New Orleans vibe because obviously that's central to the story. And there are some things about that New Orleans style. I started looking at some of the New Orleans musicians, both past and present, and seeing if there was something we could pull out of that. Something that has maybe that vibe. But there's a lot of different blues vibes. You could do like a. That's a little traditional. We'll probably
I like that.
By Willie Dixon's grandson or something, because anything that has that, he goes after him. I threw something down. Let me just play. I'm going to turn you around here real quick.
Okay.
Unplug that. See if I can get you to see the screen. Now, it's not by any stretch anything finished. But I was playing around with this vibe, and I thought it was kind of cool, and I don't know if it works. Oh, wait, I got to hit the wrong keyboard there. Let me skip ahead a little bit. We've talked about the song in the book, and we don't have to use this. And again, I was just playing around. So if it ain't cool, that's fine. My feelings won't be hurt. But I started playing around with like a little chorus thing. I want my freedom.
Oh, yeah.
My freedom. So yeah, you kind of get.
No, I like that. I like that a lot.
Cool. Let me turn you around here. Sorry.
I better not start singing. I'm a horrible singer.
Oh, that's okay. But I was looking at the book. Did I put it up here? And I'm not going to write like lyrics for it or anything. I just was playing around with what I saw in the page, and it was like, that's his big song, I guess. Or at least it looked like that. So I was like, well, maybe I can play with that a little bit. I mean, definitely it doesn't have to stay like that.
No, I like that. I like that. In fact, play it again. I'd like to hear it.
Oops, wrong. I want my freedom. My freedom. I want my freedom. My freedom. So yeah, I mean, I played around with the grooves, but that one sort of jumped out. And
I just want to get a sense from you, if you were to create another track, and you wanted it to be like gritty and kind of involve that supernatural feel to it, how would that sound?
So it just sort of depends on what vibe we're going for, and sometimes I'll start with like a drum groove or something, And I'm gonna mute the other tracks so we don't need those, just so I have a little bit of a song in there.
No, you know what? I like that.
I mean,
the heavy boom,
yeah.
boom, along with the thing.
But I think if we're looking for like a more modern vibe, you kind of have to start with some sort of a drum groove,
Right.
because that's the core of modern music. I mean, that stuff all day long.
Yeah, I'm feeling that. That's the direction I think I want to.
That I can do no problem. I mean, that's right in my wheelhouse. So, that makes me feel a little better, because I wasn't sure which direction we wanted to go. If you want something that's real gritty like that, and, we can throw some kind of layered sounds and
some sound effects like vampire drinking blood.
In the past like 6 months, downloading like crazy sounds and cinematic sounds and drum beat sounds, and I'm not necessarily a programmer, but I love using that kind of stuff. You'll have to post this so I can find what I did, because I was just making up stuff, and it may not end up being that. I like a little bit of that. A little bit of a Rage Against the Machine vibe in there.
I like that. See, yeah, that's what I like. I think that really fits the story. What do you think?
No, I like that too. I think that's very cool. I'll play with that between like now and next week, and see if I can kind of get a cool little groove going.
All right. Anyway, I'm not going to hold you up.
No problem.
Enjoy your dinner. Have a good night. Catch you on the flip side.
Yep.